Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to check the Insta360 Go-To USB power mount, an accessory which, just like its name implies, will enable you to mount the Go-To camera and charge it using a USB Type-C connector. This type of accessory was introduced by the KremerFPV Peanut, an FPV-oriented version of the Go-To camera which is made by Insta360, and it is much needed due to the fact that even though the KremerFPV Peanut and the Go-To cameras are capable of recording up to 30 minutes of videos at one time, the battery life of the camera, as you can see in the following footage, is limited to about 20 minutes. In terms of packaging, inside the box of the USB power mount, you're getting the power mount and a 70 cm long USB to USB Type-C cable. So in case you would like to mount the power mount on your drone and use it in order to charge the camera while recording videos, it is recommended to get this type of accessory, which is going to enable you to simply plug the USB Type-C connector to the USB power mount and then use the balance lead of the battery that you're using to power your drone in order to power it up, or you can also use a BAC and wire it to the battery pads on the flight controller. In terms of weight, on its own, the USB power mount weighs 18.7 grams, and including the Insta360 Go-To camera, the total weight is 45.4 grams. In comparison, the weight of the KremerFPV Peanut camera, along with the bundled mount and the magnetic charging module, which by the way is not fully compatible with the Go-To camera because the groove on the back of the camera is needed in order for using it, is 35.8 grams. And the total weight, including this magnetic mount, which is going to enable you to power the camera using a 5 volts output, the total weight is 34 grams. In addition, the weight of the Go-To camera inside the charging case, which is another option that is going to enable you to record videos while charging the camera, is 90 grams. So this solution is of course much heavier, and you can also find on the back of the USB power mount ventilation holes, which are much needed when recording videos for 30 minutes. Now, in case you wonder if the KremerFPV Peanut camera is compatible with the Insta360 USB power mount, the answer is no, due to the size of the KremerFPV Peanut, so it is simply not going to fit inside. And by the way, just like the USB Type-C connector of the charging case of the Go-To camera, you can connect the USB Type-C connector of the USB power mount, of course, when the Go-To camera is inside to your computer, and then access your recorded footage. So overall, the Insta360 Go-To USB power mount is a nice solution for powering the Insta360 Go-To camera while using it. It is going to make sure that the camera is going to be properly secured inside, and I'm looking forward to using it on this rig, which is mounted on the GapRC Cinelog 35, which is going to enable me to capture 3D footage using two Go-To cameras which are positioned side by side. Anyway, as always, I thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.